I put a sock on the broom and the results surprised me. Hey there, friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing a clever homemade cleaning hack that will help you save money and freshen up your home, using just a sock and a broom. Let's jump right in. A clean sock, a broom, fabric softener. Slip the sock over the broom head. Lightly spritz fabric softener onto the sock. Spread the softener evenly for maximum effect. Glide the broom over carpets, walls, and ceilings. Perfect for removing dust, lint, and cobwebs. Sweep under beds and furniture to catch hidden dirt while leaving a lovely fresh scent. Drop a comment telling me which country you're watching from. And don't forget to rate this trick from 0 to 10. If you loved this tip, like this video and share it with friends. Plus, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy home hacks. That's all for today. See you next time, friends. Stay safe and God bless.